Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this square reader. So let's open up the box and see exactly what comes in it. I think it's sealed right here. So we got to cut this piece of tape right here and right here. Yeah. All right, so does it pull out now? Yeah, so now you can pull it straight out like that. Let's see exactly what we get. Now we got more tape to cut. There it is right there. There's a little tab to pull. There's the reader. So it's for lightning. So you do have to have an iPhone with a lightning connector, and you can slide your credit card through there. So what all does it come with? That's it. Do have an instruction manual. Let's go over and see the instructions. Comes with a sticker. That's pretty cool. Square reader. Download the app, select items. Yep, looks. So there's going to be a lot of work to do with this, but let's break out the tape measure. So right here is an inch. So it's an inch square. That's pretty cool. That sticks out about a half an inch. Yeah, half inch. So there you have it. There's the unboxing. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.